welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, my name is Grace, and for a returning subscriber, karibu sana and thank you so much for tuning in. So as you can see, I'm out in the dark, so I'm cooking from here. So I'm cooking my matoke, and the reason I'm cooking my matoke from outside is because we refilled our gas and it's not working, guys. It's not working. We have been struggling here for almost an hour, and this is the time we have decided to cook from outside. So that's it, guys. Sorry, guys. The regulator has refused to enter the gas cylinder. We have struggled a lot, and we have called the supplier of our gas, and he's here. He's trying to fix everything, but right now he has called his workers to come with another gas cylinder, but we cannot wait for him, so we have decided to cook from here. So here are my matoke. So I have marigo and waru. So we are going to pour them in. This is a traditional way of cooking, so it is interesting also. So we have our firewood here. The firewood is here. So you keep adding the firewood. So here you are multitasking. You're adding your firewood. You are making sure that the fire is intact, and you're also making sure that your food is not burning. And this is interesting because the food is going to taste like that one of the shago. Very interesting. I think God wanted us to eat something that is from shags. That tastes like that taste of shag, you know. We also have our, let me call it, we have this, what is this? This kata. So tunaiweka hivyo. We are hanging it here because we are far away from the light. So we have decided to put this one here to help us see, or to provide light, not cooking, to provide light for us when we are cooking. To add in water. This is boiled water. I have boiled it in the jug, the water boiling jug. And then we stir this. Keep adding the firewood for it to cook easily. Easily or faster. Yeah. After a long struggle, our food is finally ready. You can see the potatoes, you can cut them into half. Also our banana, so our matoke is ready. So we are going to serve this hot and enjoy. So guys, our food is ready, served hot with an avocado, and I have tasted it and it slaps like something else. So that's basically it for today's video. If you have enjoyed, please comment in the comment section down below, and remember to subscribe. Until my next one, it is bye bye.